finished the live and I went back home and I was just eating my Maggie at my regular place. So by purpose, to irritate me, through gins and Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi, you're gonna have it, you fucking wait, you bitch. So through gins, they're not letting me buy Diet Coke, just irritating me in general. And then I sit at this place, the Maggie stand where there are these, plug points where you can put your charger. So they by purpose put tape on that, just to irritate. So I removed the tape, I put the charger, and I was just doing my own thing. The next thing I know, they broke my display screen. They broke my display screen last night, and I was totally stranded because it's like 11 at night. No mobile shop is open at that time. So what does one do? Nothing. And I went home and the phone was as though getting some kind of hysterical attacks, I couldn't come online. I couldn't message anybody. I wanted to go for Film Bazaar the first day I started. I obviously don't have the money to. I'm walking to IFFI because I don't have money to eat. I don't have money for cabs. So, I'm so done. And as you know, they used me as a toy to cancel Salman Khan's gig here because they obviously didn't want me to meet him. And I wouldn't be surprised if it was his own family members who did this, or it was this fucking Randi, or it was this Randi Sonakshi Sinha who's actually Manu. My brother Manu, that's her. When I saw Dunki's promo, I kind of figured, that there's something really fishy about Pune. These people have done black magic, these people have left gins, they've done hypnosis. Like, what have they not done to me and my family? That's why I'm so done. So I went home and I just slept last night, and I don't know who came at home at night doing what. Whatever it was unhealthy and it was against my consent. So warning you, stop this fucking nonsense. And if you ask me who it was, I suspect it to be somebody from Salman Khan's family, probably his own brother or his father. It was 100% orchestrated by Sinha, who wants to sit on my head the way he's been sitting on my head since 2005 and use me as a puppet and consider himself to be a master puppeteer to put his daughter ahead of me. And he conspired to make this shit of a cancellation happen. Yesterday I reached the venue so late, everybody was gone. Today I'm still on the way, walking. Somewhere this shit needs to end. And I'm here to end it because I'm leaving. Even I don't feel like going for IFFI. I don't feel like going for Film Bazaar. Go there, work hard, they'll steal all your contacts and make money. And you'll get nothing as usual. You'll just be made to work like a puppet. So that's why I don't feel like going anywhere. I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to have a glass of wine and just chill. But I don't have even money for food. I called up my mother and I told her that I sent the accounting to my brother who's actually Sonakshi. So she says he's asking for pictures. He's saying he'll not pay for CC camera. He didn't tell you to install it. So whosoever came inside and broke the place, will you fucking pay for the CC camera or not? Should I strip you naked some more? Because the person who's coming at night to fuck me is working in tandem with you to keep you ahead and let you do all this shit that you do to me. So he's gone and so are you. You fucking shits. Hollowed me out like termites in these past 28 years. सुंदर लड़की देखी, मालदार लड़की देखी, सेक्सी लड़की देखी, हवस उतारनी है, वो भी रात के अंधेरे में बेहोशी की हालत में, क्योंकि वो अलाउ नहीं करेगी. और फिर जब वो आवाज उठाएगी, गाड़ घिसवाओ, टॉर्चर कराओ, बाल गिराओ, डार्क सर्कल्स दो, सर पे बैठ के हिप्नोसिस करके दिमाग चो दो. Yes or no? So I'm done. I'm totally done. So I got up in the morning and I said, okay, I'll go for IFFI. I got up at 10 in the morning. I was so tired. And the moment I checked the schedule, I see that Salman Khan's gig is cancelled. And then I started putting two and two together. up that how I was used as a toy, like a little mouthpiece to talk shit about him, so that I embarrass him and he doesn't come. Because I said I want you to do hotter than you with me. That's why. Because he cancelled Love Sinha, that's why. To steal the spotlight themselves, that's why. On the name of being my protector, these people have disrupted me for like some fucking 28 years now. In December, it's going to be 28 years. I'm a fucking crorepati. I've got property worth crores, but I'm walking on the street with no food in my stomach. I am done. And as far as that post, the last post that I put, that after this I'm not going to talk about these people. Why? Because they're just playing with me. They're just playing with me. That's why. And satiating their lust. That's why. Because I wouldn't allow it. That's why. That's why I'm not going to take these people's name. I suspect these people who are coming at night to be somebody from Salman Khan's family, Narang or Dhoot, or Sinha himself. 80-year-old fart. I've seen him fucking with me in my clinical hypnotherapy session. So it's either one of these shits, and I'm totally done. They just want to use me as a toy and then give me the worst life. I don't want to do this anymore. They killed my father.